Hello everyone, this is Munazza Chaudhary and today we are on the Gitex. Everybody have the curiosity what's happening in Gitex 2023. Currently I am on the kiosk of Zoho. Everybody knows the Zoho, I'm sure, but currently I'm with the Prem Anand, the regional manager for Middle East and Africa. I want to ask him what exactly the Zoho is and how's you having exhibiting here?
Sure. We as a company, Zoho technology company first of all, and our primary focus is SaaS. So as a SaaS-based technology company, and we have built over 55 applications in the market, which can be catered to all kind of businesses. Starting from, let's say, if you run a business and if you have multiple departments in your business like sales, marketing, HR, finance, operations, front office, back office, you name it, we have it. That is what Zoho is, to be in a very simple.
That's a very good concept. You name it and I have it.
Absolutely, yeah. And also we made sure that we have built this across 26 years. We are in the market for 26 years. We started in 1996 and we have close to 55 applications built so far, and we are present in 150 plus countries with 15,000 employees. And two big things I want to talk about Zoho here. One is recently we crossed 100 million users using Zoho across the globe.
100 million users?
That's right, yeah, 100 million users. And second most important one is we have not gotten one single dollar of funding outside the company. And we are self-funded company and we have crossed $1 billion revenue. It is not by valuations. We have by money we have crossed $1 billion in revenue. So two big things to talk about Zoho.
Bravo to Zoho for 100 million users, for active users, right?
That's right, yeah.
That's wonderful. Okay, tell me one thing, what makes Zoho different from others? There are a lot of other companies too who can dealing the bookkeeping, who can dealing everything. What makes Zoho different?
Yeah, so one USP I could tell from Zoho is it is the only company which has all these product portfolio under one bundle. Which means, for example, as I told, if you are a company and if you buy Zoho, you don't even want to go and shop for other products. So for example, your sales department, your marketing, your finance, your HR, your project management, email, collaboration, everything we have it under us and everything talks to each other. So the data silo problem is a basic problem over here, and we have solved that by building all these products together. So that is one thing which is standing apart. And so you might wonder, okay, if you have all these things together, then they're gonna charge a bomb, right? But that is the fact we have proven wrong to the customers. So all these together, we are charging 135 dirhams per month per user. That's it. So the price point is the biggest USP we have with Zoho.
Okay, that makes sense that when everything is you are getting from a one brand, that makes the customer also to have the same channel for other departments.
Absolutely.
For example, like bookkeeping, it's fine if we have a Zoho account. If we are looking for a third-party channels for email campaigns and all, we definitely, if we are getting the cheaper price from others, we can go subscribe to Zoho only. And the same for IT and everything. That's a very good selling point. I can say big up to the Zoho. And this is the concept that when a buyer or the consumer wants to use one services, if they are getting everything from a one channel, they are more reliable to pay for that same company.
Absolutely. And also not only from one vendor. Imagine, let's say, all these products we have built, you will be billing one invoice. Yeah. So every year you will be paying on the same date. A biggest chunk is gone out of your head. The third most important thing is we have support team in all the countries. For example, let's say you speak Swahili in Kenya. You pick up the phone and the phone is not routed to somebody somewhere in Philippines or India. You're going to talk to somebody in Kenya speaking the local language Swahili. Or let's say you are in Nigeria or you are in South Africa. You want to talk in Zulu or Afrikaans. Then we have local speaking people. We have Arabic speaking people. We have almost all the local language speaking people. And that is the biggest USP we have. Even if we don't sell and we don't leave the place, but we stay with you guys. We make sure that the trust is established for a long-term benefit.
That's also amazing attraction for the people who have we majorly whenever we subscribe something, we always have after sales issues that there is a language barrier, how we can dictate them or issues that we are facing while using that product. And this is a great thing that you guys have the communication gap very clear, that every country have every nationality, so they can call to the inside the country and have the services. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for that. And I myself a Zoho customer, so my company Babi Media is also using Zoho. So thanks for that. We have already get a lot of supports from the Zoho, like marketing campaigns and everything. So let me just ask you like one question, like how's your experience of Gitex Global?
Yeah, I mean, as everybody are telling in the media, Gitex is the world's largest tech show, and we could see the entire how the crowd is. It's phenomenal, and every year Gitex has proven us wrong in terms. For example, whenever we come to Gitex, we think there are certain expectations, but it is always one step above. The Gitex, whenever we come there, okay, let's gonna meet 1,000 people, but every time we meet, okay, we're gonna meet 2,000 people. The Gitex has never failed to astonish us. So it is one of the best platform to meet with multiple nationalities. So for example, since today or yesterday, we have met with people from Saudi, Kenya, Nigeria, Uganda, Ghana, Kampala, DRC, Ivory Coast, everywhere. We are so shocked.
That's so amazing that we have the one platform we can connect to the new people, new businesses for expanding our more business in the world. How much you rate out of 10 to Gitex Global?
Is it only out of 10? Okay. I mean, I would definitely rate 10 because it's one of the best platform to connect with people, to meet new customers, existing partners, press, media. It's a one-stop solution wherein you're gonna meet with everybody together in one single platform. Yeah.
Wonderful. And this is the all-time favorite rating for the Gitex Global. Everybody is happy and they are giving 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for Zoho for giving us this opportunity to have the interview and have known more about the Zoho. Guys, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with Babi Media. We will be right back. What's happening Gitex and what's happening in Dubai. Thank you.